Hello guys, welcome to another video. This is my kayak. It's a Walmart kayak. I picked it up for 40 bucks from my buddy. It's really ugly orange color, and this is poor man's kayak modifications. First modification is going to be paint. This paint right here. This paint right here. I like it. You see that color? It's pretty nice. So I've got to dry it off with this towel, and I'm going to sand it down with 60 grit and 80 grit, whatever works better. We'll see. So I'm going to finish drying it off and start sanding it down. I'm going to do a little bit of a time lapse for you, so you ain't got to watch, the slow, painful process. I'm going to do the top first, let it dry, then the bottom. So the bottom's going to be it's gonna be a little harder, but anyway, let's get the time lapse rolling. Got most of the sanding done. I still need to dry it off here in the middle a little bit. I was gonna keep that sticker on there, but it's starting to come off, so. Need to dry it off some more. Yeah, let's go. Middle needs to dry it off. Sorry about that. Mic was not plugged in. But hey, I'm gonna dry it off a little more. Alright, so the top is all dried off. I'm gonna get a little bit more of a time lapse in here. Get it sanded down right here in the middle section. So back with you when I'm done sanding. Alright y'all, so I've got it all sanded down. Now all I've got to do is just blow it with the air compressor to get all that green stuff, because it's sandpaper and all that stuff is sanded. Anyway, take a look at it now. Alright. So, at the taping stage, tape up this sticker right here. Oh, you can keep playing, that's fine. I have music playing. Like that, satisfying that. I get it, y'all don't want to watch the boring taping stage, fool. Now it's time for primer and paint, boy.
I have a problem.
Remember, kids, wear a mask. It's bad. Okay. Guys, it is all primed up. Now it's time to get the paint on it. So we're gonna set you up. It's time to get the paint on it. So what we're gonna do now, paint this bad boy. Let's go. That's gonna be a good color. Hey, by the way, make sure you get a flat color. If you're gonna paint your kayak. Gloss is just not gonna do it for you. I'm kind of gonna miss the orange, but hey. Coat number 1 is done, boys. It actually looks pretty good. I don't know, you know, the lighting is good or anything, but when it dry, it looks pretty good. But coat number 2's gotta go on. Look at that. It's not bad. From orange to that. And I'm thinking about getting a different color of this kind of paint and like putting leaves over the kayak and spraying it so it looks camo. But we'll see when I'm done. We'll make a decision. Alright, y'all ready for the final coat and the final touches? We'll see you then. Alrighty, fellas, it's pretty much done. I'm gonna have a part 2 to this probably soon. I don't know, but I am gonna take it out on the water tomorrow, and you'll see that video Friday. You're seeing this one on Tuesday. You'll see me taking it out on the water to catch some fish Friday, if I do catch fish. If I catch fish on it, you'll see the video. If I don't catch fish, you probably won't see the video. So I got a lot of stuff planned for y'all, so y'all stay tuned. I think that looks pretty cool. Looks pretty damn cool. Might put some more stickers on it somewhere, like another Yeti or something. I don't know. We'll see what happens. But hey, let me know in the comments if, well, I still got to do the bottom, but I'm not gonna show you that because it's the same process as the top. It's just a lot easier. But anyway, let me know in the comments what you think about the color, and should I do a little bit more camo, like put a leaf on it with a different color and spray the leaf out on it, or what? You know, what should I do? You know, should I do that? Just let me know in the comments. Any suggestions help. You know, you might even get a shout out if you suggest something that I like and I'll do. So y'all have a good day, and if you made it this far, you have a chance to enter a $500 giveaway. When I hit 10,000 subscribers, I'm giving away $500. I'm giving away $100 to 5 people.
And you could be the winner. All you gotta do is subscribe, turn on post notifications, comment when you're done, or just comment notification squad. Comment 3 times on this video to help with the YouTube algorithm, and share it with your friends, family, whatever, you know, everybody. I'll see y'all in the next one. Roll the outro. This puppy right here, this is a PB, I can tell you that right now, boys. Turn this scale on. Oh, shit.